Hi everybody, this is David Marsh with EminiTradingStrategies.com. Today is, what is today's date? October 13th, 2011. We had a good one and done today, and I hadn't done any blog posts or videos in the last couple, 3 days, so I figured I'd come out here and do one and talk about recovering and a couple things I teach my new students. And I teach my new students to do what I call a 5 point challenge, and that's where you try to go out there and make 5 points a day. Some days you will, some days you won't, and it's not really about it. It's not a bad thing if you don't. It's not really a good thing if you do. It's all about learning the system, right? If you got a little more screen time and you're more practice time, you're going to get more proficient at the system. Like today, for example, if you just grabbed a one and done. Now, if you're trading real money and you're happy with that and point, nothing wrong with that, 5, 10, 20 contract trader, hey, you're great. But if you're learning, you want to stay in the game longer. And obviously, we don't get one and dones every day. Some days we have losing trades. Some days we have multiple losing trades. We may be down 3, 4, 5 points in 10, 15 minutes. That's what day trading is all about. And then we may be up 3 points within 20 minutes after that. So learning how to do the 5 point challenge is all about staying in the game, learning what trades to make, what trades not to make, and most importantly, learning how to recover and keeping your head on straight when you do. And today is a good example of that. I don't know if I've ever done this on video, but today, as I said, we had a nice NSE one and done, right? 9:30 open and bell, just clicked right after the bell. Quick 4 tick target. Again, is trading for 1 point a day enough? Well, you tell me. If you're trading 20 contracts, that's $1,000 today in under a minute. If that's enough, great. Maybe you're not trading 20 contracts. Maybe you're trading 5 contracts, and get that question every day. Can I make 2, 3 points a day with the system? Sure, you can. Obviously, 1 point a day is easier, but 2, 3 points a day is very, very plausible. All right. But let's go on with today. So if you're a student, you made the one and done. You say, well, let me keep on trading. Let me keep doing this. So you take the next pullback trade. Now you're up 2 points. All right. Hey, not too bad, right? Even if you trade in line. Well, now you take the normal system entry long, and that loses, and you lose. And our NSC has a maximum stop loss of 8 ticks. Now, seldom do we lose 8 ticks. I shouldn't say seldom. Probably about 25% of the time, on a losing NSC, will we lose a max stop loss of 8 ticks. Normally, it's about 6. But here we lost the full 8 ticks. We cannot go short because we go into no zone and come right out of no zone. Well, here's what happens. Our long-term filter, which I should have had up, but trust me, it looks just like this chart, but it's a short, went short. So what do? We avoid all long trades during so many tick bars on that chart. Well, we take the short trade, and now we're trying to recover, and we recover all 8 ticks. Now, when I say we're trying to recover, I mean a student doing the 5 point challenge. I actually missed this trade real money today because I wasn't paying any attention at the opening bell. That happens too. But I did take the pullback trade and got my one and done right there, and I was done trading for the day. So when I say we're, I just mean in general as a student doing a 5 point challenge. Okay. Well, this trade was good for a full recovery of that 8 ticks. So by the time you lost the 8 ticks here, you're basically broke even. You're even. But the point here is you don't want to get overly concerned. Well, I was up 2 points. I lost 2 points. Maybe I should have just stopped when I was up a point. You start second guessing yourself. You start second guessing the system. In other words, you're letting emotions into the game, and that's going to hurt because you may make the wrong decision if you allow that to happen. So a prudent trader quickly recovered. All right, even if he didn't take the full 8 ticks, because he had 8 ticks already, lost 8 ticks, maybe he just grabbed 6 ticks. All right, and you still want to stay in it. Another short pullback trade, another 4 tick winner. Now you may be asking, why just 4 ticks here, Dave, and why 8 ticks here? Are you just looking ahead and just trying to figure out what it would have made? No, our long-term filter was in play right here. It warrants 8 ticks. Okay, it was no longer in play here. It warranted 4 ticks because I know that question's going to come up. Well, anyways, now you're back in the money, an easy 8 to 10 ticks. You catch another NSE winner, right? 4+ ticks. Another short NSE winner, 4+ ticks. Another pullback trade winner. I mean, and there you go. By 9:50 in the morning, 9:55, I think we had a report, so that would have been it. You're done. So even with a losing trade of a full 2 point loser, you can recover. And what I tell a student, Because sometimes they'll take this trade, get flustered and frustrated, and maybe they take a few bad trades or not paying any attention. They let emotions come into the game. I'll say, well, realize if you were trading live, you'd have been done right here anyways. You'd had 1 point, 2 points, you'd have been done. So don't let the 5 point challenge, if you make a mistake, get you down. It's all about learning how to recover, staying in the game. Okay. Now, do I try to trade for 5 points every day? No, I absolutely do not. Last couple 3 months, the volatility has been incredible. So yes, we've been trading for 3, 5, sometimes 7, 8 points in 20, 30 minutes. And today turned out to be a really good day. I was happy with the point profit. I've got obligations today. I don't want to trade all day. Had I traded all day, what would I have done? Just what I just showed you. I'd have been up 2 points. Well, again, I missed this trade. I'd have lost something here. I would have recovered here, made money here, made money here, made money here, and I would have probably walked away. And let's just go ahead and walk forward and see what we did anyways in real time. All right, we had another long NSC trade, cancel pullback trade, a short NSC trade here. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. Another long NSC trade, and this is where we're at right now, real time right now, 10:11 in the morning. All right, so again, do we win every trade? Of course not, but we have great recovery methods. We teach you that, and well, that's what my system is all about. And again, October 13th, this is a real tick chart, live data, and you can see firsthand what my trading system is all about. But it's all about making your profit and leaving for the day. But while you're learning to do that, because we know that some days we're going to have bad days and we got to learn how to recover. So when you're new, staying in the game a little longer, taking that 5 point challenge is a good thing. So let's wrap it up there. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you on the next video.